Cooper.
Cooper's new coat. Oh, you look adorable. You're not
Cooper.
Good boy. That's a good boy. Yes. It's too bad your neck is so small all the time.
Because we're a pharmacy first.
Oh my God.
I'm getting him on video.
Everything about him, but my skin,
You need to stop chewing your new coat.
Hey.
From Garnier. Daily
Cooper.
moisture infused with vitamin C.
I got upset. Well,
Like
I'm
macaroni.
getting all blurry.
Black spots improves the look of my skin for a brighter, more radiant skin tone.
Cooper, you don't like your new
Every
coat?
day. To moisturize and
Fucking thing off over my head.
He's getting it too. He's getting it off. How come your back is all rolling up?
take care.
Since I started for Living Social, I started getting hooked up with you.
Oh, poor guy. Oh, poor dog. He's going to take it and run, guaranteed. He will take it and run. What you got?
Punch him in my mouth.
There he goes. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.